Dandruff is a common scalp condition. It causes flaking skin. This flaking can be embarrassing, but dandruff is not contagious. It is not a serious health threat. Many effective treatments exist. A yeast called Malassezia globosa lives on everyone's scalp. This yeast is a natural part of the skin's microbiome, which is a collection of microorganisms that live on the skin. While it is generally harmless, it can sometimes cause problems. In some people, it causes irritation. This irritation can lead to an itchy scalp, which can be quite uncomfortable and distracting. The itching is often a result of the body's immune response to the yeast. This leads to skin cell buildup and flaking. When the scalp becomes irritated, it can speed up the rate at which skin cells are produced and shed. This overproduction of skin cells results in the visible flakes, known as dandruff. These flakes can be particularly noticeable on dark clothing and hair. Another cause is seborrheic dermatitis. This is a more severe form of dandruff that involves inflammation of the skin. Seborrheic dermatitis can cause red, greasy skin covered with flaky white or yellow scales. This condition makes the scalp oily and irritated. The excess oil can create an environment where Malassezia yeast thrives, exacerbating the problem. People with seborrheic dermatitis often experience more severe dandruff symptoms. Dry skin can also cause flakes. When the scalp is dry, it can become flaky and itchy. This is often due to a lack of moisture in the skin, which can be caused by various factors such as cold weather, harsh hair products, or not drinking enough water. This is especially true in winter. Cold, dry air can strip the scalp of its natural oils, leading to dryness and flaking. Indoor heating can also contribute to a dry scalp by reducing humidity levels in the air. Sensitivity to hair products can cause dandruff-like symptoms. Some people have sensitive skin that reacts to certain ingredients in hair care products. This can lead to irritation and flaking, which may be mistaken for dandruff. Certain ingredients can irritate the scalp. Ingredients such as sulfates, parabens, and fragrances can be particularly irritating for some people. It's important to read the labels of hair care products and choose those that are gentle and free from harsh chemicals. By understanding the various causes of dandruff, you can take steps to manage and prevent it. Whether it's choosing the right hair care products, keeping your scalp moisturized, or addressing underlying skin conditions, there are many ways to keep your scalp healthy and flake-free. The main symptom of dandruff is white or yellow flakes on the scalp. These flakes can fall on your shoulders. You might see them on dark clothing. Dandruff often causes an itchy scalp. The scalp can also feel irritated or sore. In some cases, the scalp may appear red. Most cases of dandruff can be managed with over-the-counter treatments. These usually involve special shampoos. Lifestyle changes can also help. Regular shampooing is important. It helps remove flakes and excess oil. Look for shampoos labeled as gentle or for sensitive scalps. Section 5. The power of medicated shampoos. Medicated shampoos are a powerful tool in the fight against dandruff and other scalp conditions. They contain specific ingredients designed to target the root causes of these issues, providing relief and promoting a healthier scalp. Medicated shampoos contain ingredients that target dandruff. These ingredients are carefully chosen for their ability to address the underlying causes of dandruff, such as fungal infections, excessive oil production, and rapid skin cell turnover. By understanding how these ingredients work, you can make an informed choice about which shampoo is right for you. These ingredients work in different ways. Some target the Malassezia yeast, a common fungus that lives on the scalp and can contribute to dandruff when it grows out of control. Others help to slow down the rapid turnover of skin cells, which can lead to the flaking and itching associated with dandruff. Some fight the Malassezia yeast. This yeast is naturally present on the scalp, but when it grows excessively, it can cause irritation and flaking. Ingredients like ketoconazole and selenium sulfide are effective at reducing the levels of this yeast, helping to restore balance to the scalp. Others slow down skin cell growth. Rapid skin cell turnover can lead to a buildup of dead skin cells on the scalp, which then flake off as dandruff. Ingredients like coal tar and salicylic acid help to slow this process, reducing the amount of flaking and promoting a healthier scalp. Ketoconazole is a common antifungal ingredient. It is widely used in medicated shampoos due to its effectiveness in reducing the levels of Malassezia yeast on the scalp. By targeting this yeast, ketoconazole helps to alleviate the symptoms of dandruff and promote a healthier scalp environment. It effectively reduces yeast on the scalp. Regular use of a ketoconazole shampoo can help to keep the levels of Malassezia yeast in check, preventing the overgrowth that can lead to dandruff. This makes it a valuable tool in the management of chronic dandruff and other scalp conditions. Selenium sulfide is another option. This ingredient not only helps to reduce the levels of Malassezia yeast, but also helps to control the production of oil on the scalp. Excessive oil can contribute to dandruff by providing a breeding ground for yeast and causing the scalp to become greasy and irritated. It helps control both yeast and oil production. By reducing the levels of yeast and controlling oil production, selenium sulfide helps to create a healthier scalp environment. This can lead to a reduction in dandruff symptoms and an overall improvement in scalp health. Regular use of a selenium sulfide shampoo can help to maintain this balance, providing long-term relief from dandruff and promoting a healthier, more comfortable scalp. Section 6. Beyond shampoo lifestyle adjustments, stress can worsen dandruff. Managing stress through exercise or meditation might help. Avoid scratching your scalp. This can irritate it further. Be mindful of hair products. Some contain harsh chemicals that can irritate the scalp. Choose fragrance-free and hypoallergenic options. Section 7. Seeking professional help. If over-the-counter treatments fail, see a dermatologist. They can determine the cause of your dandruff. They can also prescribe stronger medications if needed. Sometimes what looks like dandruff is another condition. It could be eczema, psoriasis, or a fungal infection. A dermatologist can make the correct diagnosis. Section 8. Maintaining a healthy scalp. A healthy scalp is the foundation for beautiful, strong hair. It's not just about aesthetics. A well-maintained scalp can prevent a host of issues, from dandruff to hair loss. Let's dive into the steps you can take to ensure your scalp remains in top condition. Once your dandruff is under control, keep it at bay. Regular maintenance is key. Brushing your hair daily helps distribute natural oils from your scalp down the length of your hair, keeping it moisturized and healthy. Use a clean brush to avoid reintroducing any flakes or dirt. Use your medicated shampoo as directed. This might mean using it once or twice a week, depending on the severity of your dandruff and the type of shampoo. Follow the instructions on the bottle carefully to get the best results. Overuse can sometimes lead to dryness, so balance is crucial. This might mean using it once or twice a week. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise increases blood flow to your scalp, promoting hair growth and overall scalp health. Sweating during exercise can help unclog hair follicles, but make sure to wash your hair afterward to remove any buildup. Manage stress, eat a balanced diet, and stay hydrated. Stress can trigger dandruff and other scalp issues, so incorporating relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga can be beneficial. A diet rich in vitamins and minerals supports hair health. Foods high in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon and walnuts, are particularly good for your scalp. Drinking plenty of water keeps your skin, including your scalp, hydrated and healthy. This supports overall skin health, including your scalp. Remember, a healthy scalp is a reflection of your overall well-being. By taking care of your body, you're also taking care of your scalp. Regular checkups with a dermatologist can help you stay on top of any potential issues. Embrace these habits, and you'll enjoy a healthy, flake-free scalp and beautiful hair. Section 9. Embracing confidence. Dandruff is a common issue. Don't let it affect your self-esteem. With the right treatment and care, you can manage it effectively. Remember, you are not alone. Millions of people experience dandruff. Focus on the solutions and enjoy a flake-free life.